Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi A5 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, this process will allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I do have a pattern set and I'll progress from here as though I don't know it. So first thing you're going to do is hold power button and volume up and then select power off from the boot options. Now when the phone turns off, again hold power button and volume up at the same time and let go of just the power button when you see the Mi logo on the screen. And then you can let go of the volume up when you see the recovery mode, which is going to be this screen right here. Now, when you have this visible, using volume buttons either up or down, you can navigate to the menu. So with that in mind, we're gonna scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm it using your power button, then select Factory Data Reset. This will say Formatting Data and then Data Wipe Complete, at which point Reboot System now will be selected by default, so press power button to initiate the reboot. And this will continue resetting your phone in the background, and once it's finished, the device will boot up and we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.